This flyer is Stephen Hang, and he's flying on behalf of the Harvey Mudd College Student Launch Initiative team. This is a NASA competition, and if they get everything to work just right, they're going to go and fly their rocket in Huntsville, Alabama this spring. So, good luck to the SLI team. Good luck to me too, because I'm their advisor. This rocket's called the Hammer. It's a scratch-built rocket. It's got a Cessaroni H-255 White Thunder in it. It's also got a featherweight Raven 2 altimeter and an HD video camera. Pad 29. Here we go. Good luck in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.